fiber friend, Nicole here with Loom Studios. I'm here with a little bit of a different kind of video this time. I am here because I want to challenge very new beginner knitters to make a project with me. My next few videos are going to be a series of basic introductory knitting stitches that everyone needs to know. So we're going to do knitting, purling, knitting and purling together, increasing, decreasing, casting on, casting off. And with those basic stitches, we are going to make a series of swatches and make them into whatever you like. There's so many different things that you could make. I am here to challenge all beginner knitters to create a project with me. I know it's going to seem really scary, but I think that you will learn so much more. You'll be confident in the stitches you make, and you'll be more happy with your first knitting project than having that weird lumpy scarf that is most people's first project. The project that I am proposing of making a bunch of small swatches to just practice your stitches is really going to help you gain confidence in your stitching, and you can have something that's more fun than just a boring old scarf that you're never going to wear. My next videos are all going to be about making these stitches and swatches, and then we're going to sew them together, which is another important skill, to create an object that you actually want and will use in your everyday life. Tomorrow, I am posting knitting tutorial number 1, kind of. We did the slip knot, we did casting on, just the easiest way possible. Tomorrow, our video on the garter stitch is coming out, and I want to challenge you to create as many garter stitch swatches as possible, and I will talk about that more in tomorrow's video. I'll be posting every Monday and Friday to get this project going. I might even post a little bit more frequently, depending on how much excitement there is around it. Leave a comment below, let me know what you'd like to make. A pillow cover, a blanket, baby blanket, a scarf, a tote bag. You can make anything out of just a series of swatches. So let me know what you want to make below, and I will help you do it. I am very confident that following along with these tutorials to make something will help you gain so much confidence as a new knitter, and then you'll actually have something that you can use and appreciate and show off to everyone, because that is the most fun part of knitting something, is going out into the world and telling everyone that you made it. I kind of wish I had learned knitting this way, but I hope that this can help any new knitters and anyone that just wants to practice some of the foundational stitches. So let's get these projects made, these swatches knit, and I will explain what all of that means in tomorrow's video. Keep an eye out. Also, it's a lot easier if you do have to rip out messed up stitches. It's a lot easier to undo a square this big than an entire project.